A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is a must-have today. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. It does this by changing your online location from your real one to that of the VPN server. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So what benefits does a VPN offer? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure that your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. This includes protection from a range of cyber attacks, and it's especially useful when using public Wi-Fi. Besides that, a VPN can keep you private when you're accessing your favorite home content while you're on a holiday. But what's special is that it can also help overcome ISP speed throttling. The result of that is a secure and buffer-free viewing experience. Some oppressive governments heavily censor internet use. A VPN can help you overcome these restrictions and enjoy the best that the World Wide Web has to offer. Planning on gaming online? Some games can leak your precious data like an IP address, and thus a VPN can prevent this, protecting you from data leaks and DDoS attacks. Finally, some websites can use your location to tailor prices for goods or services. With a VPN, you can avoid these marketing practices and save a buck when shopping online. So, want to get a VPN? Check out Surfshark, as it has everything you need in a VPN and more. Fast speeds, a range of over 100 locations to connect to, unlimited simultaneous connections to secure all your devices with, of course, an industry-leading encryption to boot. Surfshark, online security made easy.